Today, we'll be making another flower design with ribbon. It's so simple, easy to follow, and beautiful. We'll be using satin ribbon that's 3.8 cm wide and 10 cm long. We will fold and shape the ends of our ribbon. Now heat seal the ends to stop them from fraying. The heat will also help shape them into soft, petal-like curves. And we just need 4 pieces of this to get started. Grab your needle and thread, it's time to start sewing. Now we will add our centerpiece. I'm using a 10mm flat back pearl, but feel free to personalize this part with anything you love. It's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!